Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Offroad's spare tire carrier flag mount. Universal for the following bolt patterns. Step 1. Remove the backing of the included circular foam and apply it firmly to the flag tire mount so that the holes line up. Next, remove your vehicle's spare tire and place the tire mount onto the carrier studs so that they rest evenly in one of the 3 smallest fitting holes. Resecure your tire. Step 2. Place the flag rail into the mount rail. Adjust how close or far you would like the mount to sit, and secure it with the included bolts, washers, and nylock nuts with a 13mm socket and wrench. Finally, if your flagpole does not already have a locking pinhole, you'll need to drill through the pole with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Insert the pole into the mount and secure it with the included lock pin, and you're done. Enjoy your Fishbone Off-Road tire carrier flag mount.